Okay, folks, we're going to continue with the furniture because I'm just having just too much fun, all right? So I think what I'll do is I'll probably add maybe a chair or two, duplicated, and let's see, I believe there are rugs somewhere down here. Used in the other project, so let's go with this striped carpet one. Okay, it's right here. Okay, a couple things right off the bat. As you can see, right now this is proportionally a little too small in the space. No problem. I can just I can use my scale tool and just work through it like that. So let's imagine that this is an outdoor carpet, and then here we go, and I'm gonna it's much faster to press forward, but I'm just gonna move it accordingly here like that. Okay, so there you go. I just simply brought something in and changed the scale of it. So that's kind of nice. And I'm glad to see that reflections down on carpet. That's awesome. All right, so that's that. And I'm looking at this thinking, this is a little boring. So I'm going to change the material because it's so intuitive, this application. You just have to go and have fun. All right, let's go to materials and let's get another wall finish here. I'm going to bring concrete again, I believe, and it's somewhere here. Going, right down here somewhere. I thought I saw concrete. Where are you, my friends? Ah, there you are. Okay, so let's just do something like this. I want to neutralize this wall here, and that looks super large at the moment. So let's play with the scale, and then do something like this for being outdoors. Okay. All right, good. There's good contrast here. I can work with this. And then I'm just going to bring furniture, and we'll go to that quickly. We'll just go to furniture and then home, living room, and I hope there's something for chairs. Yeah. Oh, man, this is nice. Okay. Every time I come in here, and I'm just going to stop and enjoy what I'm seeing. All right, I'm going to add, for example, let's take this dot chair here, for example. Okay, we're bringing it. Okay, right now, zero reflection. Color, let me just press the right here. Okay, so the color with the eyedropper, as you can see, it's lime green. Okay, it's interesting, but perhaps I'm not interested in lime green at the time. So let's go. Okay, so let's move this around so you know, and you can see it in real time. So I'm going to go, with another blue color of some kind. Okay, here we go, something like that. So as you can see now, you have the power, our students have the power to change color, okay? Even though initially this was lime green, okay? So we'll just press OK, we're done here. That looks lovely. Okay, back in the furniture, home, I was in chairs, okay? So this is a very powerful point. Okay, we are not stuck with the material that they give us. Okay, let's try to work over here, for example, okay? I'm gonna come in here. I'm going to select the couch, for example, use my eyedropper, and I'm going to come in here. There it is. This is the color. So if I wanted to change this, again, I'm just going to take a red, and there you go. You've got a burgundy of some kind of a red here. All right. So that looks good. And what you can do here is, like I said before, you can store this color, and that's good. We got ourselves a color palette of sorts. All right, I'm just going to say cancel for now and just go back to the original color. And watch this. I'm picking it again, right? And there it is. And because I like this color right now, I don't want to lose it. I'm just going to press store. Okay, done. Just in case I pick other colors, and I'm loving this. So you have furniture here. Okay, and I think that's pretty good. Let's see, what else can we get? I'm going to continue in the next video. I'm going to add some walls. I'm going to bring a light source. I'll just bring a light source right now, okay? So let's bring this one in. Okay, this is really nice, somewhere here. Okay, and we'll do this. Okay, and maybe I'll even come in the back over there. Okay, so that's good. I know where I am right now. I'm just going to add some walls in the next video and start from there because I want to perhaps add lighting and play with that. I hope this makes sense to you. Enjoy it, experiment, explore. This is just too much fun. Okay? Good stuff. We'll see you in the next video.